This is a HydroKleen Technician cleaning a very heavily soiled coil. This is a wall split, and you can see that he's really working hard to push all of that biotoxic material through the coil right out the back so that there is no residual biotoxic matter left on the back of the coil. Now, what we'll show you here is when you lightly brush the coil, in other words, you clean the front of it, but you're not pushing all of that biotoxic material out the back of the coil, then this is what happens. This is biotoxic material that has been left behind because the technician is not using fit for purpose equipment.